Hello there. So today I'm going to do a bit of a tour of the electrical system on Aubrey, my 25-foot pocket cruiser. And I'm not going to go through the theory too much because I'm not really qualified to, more just like the system, the setup, and some of the gadgets I have on board. In Aubrey, the battery is stored in this watertight compartment and uses wood and threaded rods to hold it really firmly in there. The 100 amp hour battery connects to the first set of buzz bars via a 100 amp breaker. The battery is charged via two solar panels that are fused and run through separate PWM charge controllers. Thick wires then connect the first to the second set of buzz bars via an appropriate fuse and isolation switch. The second buzz bars connect to a DC distribution panel, and this in turn connects to the final set of buzz bars. The buzz bars are located in these three parts of the boat. Now let's take a closer look at the first one. So here are the buzz bars with their negative and positive going in, the breaker, the PWM charge controllers, and then a little current meter. The cabinet next to it houses the autopilot, which is displayed here next to the depth sounder, and I also have the inverter on charging my computer. The primary buzz bar also powers my fridge, a second autopilot, and the bilge. So moving from buzz bar 1, we'll now move to buzz bar 2, which is located here. On to buzz bar 2. Here they are, 1 and 2. They're connected to a distribution board, a switch, and a fuse. In here we also have the Class B AIS, the VHF splitter, and the Yakka, which sends everything to Wi-Fi, so we can see it easily on Navionics. And then we have the VHF. So if we have a look at the schematic view, the VHF is connected directly to the buzz bars. The same goes for the toilet. Coming off of the distribution panel is the AIS bundle, a roaming bilge pump, red and green nav lights, anchor light, stern light, an RGB light strip, and the third and final buzz bar set. The final buzz bar lives behind this panel. It runs the down lights, the charging ports, and also all of these incandescent switch lights. As for the battery-powered items, on the rechargeable side I had a spotlight, vacuum, nav tablet, inReach, and a ton of tools. The non-rechargeable items included a PLB, man-overboard beacon, wind meter, headlights, a handheld sewing machine I heaps didn't use, and finally a label writer which proved to create very unsticky labels, so please go easy on my lack of labeling in the comments. On the subject of comments, I did try and keep this video pretty brief so you didn't get too bored. But if you do have any questions about any of the items in here, just write them down below. Also, if you did enjoy this content, please remember to like and subscribe before you dash off.